Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit photos in Deep Moody Effect using Lightroom Mobile. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss any video and amazing presets. And if you want to get the preset for free, so read the instructions in the description. Here are some before and after sample pictures using this preset. Now let's start editing. First go to Light. Increase the exposure to about 80%. Contrast to about plus 20%. Decrease the highlights to about minus 40%. Increase the shadows to about plus 80%. Decrease the whites to about minus 50%. And blacks to about minus 10. Now go to Curve and follow these steps. Now go to Red Curve and follow these steps. Now Green. And finally Blue. And done. Now go to Color. Increase the temperature to about plus 10. Tint to about plus 2. Decrease the vibrance to about minus 10. And saturation about minus 20. Go to Mix. Go to Orange. Increase the saturation and luminance to about plus 20. Go to yellow. Decrease the hue to about -50. Saturation and luminance to about -20. Go to green. Decrease the hue to about -80. Saturation and luminance to about -20. Go to aqua. Decrease the saturation to about -40. And luminance to about -20. Go to blue. Decrease the saturation to about -40. And luminance to about -20. And done. Go to Effect. Increase the texture to about +10. Clarity to about +15. Dehaze to about +20. Decrease the vignette to about -20. Put midpoint to about 30. Increase the feather up to 100% and roundness to 100%. Go to split tone. Hue 27 and saturation 11 for highlights. Hue 19 and saturation 9 for shadows. And done. Now go to details. Increase the sharpening to about 10%. Noise reduction to about +20. Increase the contrast to 15%. And color noise reduction to +5. Now let's copy this preset to other photos. Thanks for watching, and have a lovely day.